Let's take a quick look at how to manage the chart of accounts in Traction. Traction makes it quite easy to add accounts and subheadings by completely customizing your chart of accounts to your liking. To manage your accounts and subheadings, you will need to open your chart of accounts by expanding the Accounting tab in the menu bar and selecting the chart of accounts from the menu. By clicking on the green New button in the top right corner of the screen, you can add accounts and subheadings. You can also interact with the chart of accounts by scrolling down to find a category that you want to add an account or subheading to and create the item from your selected category. For example, if I wanted to create a new revenue account to record my custom hire income for planting work, I would scroll down to the revenue category and add the new account by clicking on the three dots and selecting Add Account. Next, I would choose what entity or multiple entities you want this account created in, then select the account type from the drop-down list. Account types are uneditable, predefined types used to link your accounts to the Schedule F tax returns available in Traction reports. For more information on Schedule F mapping, visit the Schedule F Knowledge Center article. In this example, I am going to select Custom Hire, and then I will add the word planting next to the pre-filled Custom Hire income name so I know this account is for my planting revenue. Subheadings are wonderful in Traction. They are optional, but in this case, I want to actually group together my planting and harvest custom hire income accounts so they appear categorized and totaled with each other on my income statement report. To create the subheading, I will need to select the Add button and name the subheading. Next, you will see the Add Subheading page, and you will need to name the folder Custom Hire and click Save. Now that I created the subheading, I will be returned to the Add Account page where I can now click Save to complete the process of adding the new Custom Hire Planting account that is assigned to the Custom Hire subheading. After saving, you will now see the Custom Hire Income Planting account under the newly created Custom Hire subheading. Moving existing accounts under subheadings is very easy to do in Traction. Now that I have a Custom Hire subheading, I will want to move my Custom Hire Income Harvesting account so it is under the folder with my newly created Custom Hire Income Planting account. All you need to do is highlight the account you want to move to the subheading and select the three dots on the right of that account, then click Edit from the drop-down list. You should now see the Edit Account Details page. From here, all you need to do is select the subheading box, select the custom hire name that you already added earlier, and click Save. As you can now see, I successfully moved my Custom Hire Harvesting account under the Custom Hire subheading folder along with the Planting account. Now that the two accounts are under the subheading Custom Hire, Traction will provide you a subtotal of the two accounts when you create reports like the income statement report. For more useful tips, please visit the Traction Knowledge Center.